Today's strategy will allow you to make money like this, or like this. All you need to do is come over to Google and search the specific search word. It will pop up with a website that will give you multiple income streams. Then just go to the program application and fill in all of your details. Then you can just go and copy and paste this and go and paste this over here. Go and click on publish, then come over to paypal.com, sign up your account so that you can go and get paid. Welcome back to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel. My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, forex trader and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. If you want to follow that journey with me, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. I want to get straight into this epic strategy because specifically we're going to be making money online with these 10 different income streams over here. I'm going to show you all of the possible opportunities here, and we're going to be knuckling down into quite a new and profitable niche that a lot of you guys probably have not seen or heard of. I haven't really spoken about this specific niche in my YouTube channel before, so this is really going to be something interesting, really going to be an interesting video on YouTube over here. How we're actually going to be making money online with woodworking products over here on these specific websites. This actually really works. And the strategy really works well because the website that we're going to be using to get all of this traffic is mostly or nearly 100% an audience that is just looking for DIY and woodworking products. So that way we can plug in our product into all of that traffic to get a piece of all of those affiliate commissions. This traffic method is probably one of the most fail-proof traffic methods that you will go and see, and we are actually going to go and make money with multiple products at the same time. So that specific search word that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, you want to go and search best woodworking affiliate programs. Over here on the first link, we're going to go and click on authority.com over here. We're going to click on the woodworking affiliate programs, which is the first link on the website over here, and it will go and give you 10 of the best affiliate programs you can go and promote in the woodworking niche. So over here we've got Woodworkers of America. We can go and click on this website over here. So this commission rate, you will go and get 6 to 25% commission for every sale that you make on this specific website, which is a really good commission rate. Over here we've got KC Tool. So if I open this up, you're going to get 10% commission, which is not as much, but still pretty decent. Pretty simple. You just go and fill out all of this information over here and you will get 10% once off per sale. We've got Highland Woodworking, which is 5%, not really that good. Again, 5%, not that good. 5% plus 3%. 10% is better. 11% is pretty good, so we can open that one up. 6%, not that good. 3%, that is terrible. So I'm going to open up all of the affiliate programs that are 10% or more, even some of them that are 15% plus. So over here, we've got the WoodSnap affiliate program, the KC affiliate program, and the Woodworkers Guild of America affiliate program, which we can sign up over here. Let's go and take the KC tool over here, for example. You just enter your first name, your last name, email address, password, and confirm your password. Click on apply. They will then send you an email to your affiliate dashboard, or if you already got an account, which I'm assuming you don't have, you can click on login on the top right over here. Just sign in with your affiliate page, and on that dashboard you'll be able to go and copy and paste your affiliate link, which then every person that comes over to this website buys whatever product they're selling in the woodworking niche, you're going to go and get 10% per sale. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to go and plug in a fail-proof traffic strategy to the specific product, which will only be targeted towards millions of people that are only interested in the specific woodworking niche. And that website that we're going to go and use is called Instructables.com. Let me just come over to the homepage over here. Now Instructables.com is a website which people post articles, projects, contests in the specific categories of workshop, craft, electric circuits, cooking, living, outside, teachers. So all of these projects, contests, articles, whatever you want to call it, posted on this website is all suited to our woodworking niche. It fits craft, workshop, outdoors, outside camping, etc. So this is why this website really works well for any specific woodworking project, and that is why we're going to build this together and plug in our affiliate product into this website. Something else that I thought of for this video is we can go and find other blogs like Instructables.com in the woodworking niche in different languages. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come over to Google Translate over here. I'm just going to go and enter text, for example, woodworking blogs. Let's go and change this language to, for example, let's just look for Spanish. Over here, click on Spanish. We can now go and copy the Spanish term for woodworking blogs, go and search this in a new tab, and we can open up any one of these websites over here, and we will find a whole bunch of woodworking blogs in Spanish. For example, some of these over here we can open up in new tabs. Take a look at this entire woodworking blog over here, and we can actually go and use all of these articles over here that are in Spanish on an English website promoting to English people. So all we're going to go and do is we're going to go and find articles that are made and done for you in a different language. And we're just going to go and translate that and put that on our English website, Instructables.com over here, which is perfectly okay to do. So I'm going to go and open up, for example, let's go and take this example over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and copy the title. I'm going to come over to Google Translate. Just paste this here. This specific blog is teaching you how to create an olive cutting board, as you can see on Google Translate over here. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to go and create an English blog on Instructables.com on how to go and create an olive cutting board. So all we'll go and do is, for example, let's just go and close these here. So I'm going to close these all tabs. We can go and copy this entire blog over here with the images. So for example, all of the text, just like that. Right click, copy, come over to Google Translate. Just paste this here. Okay, so we're going to have to do 3,900 words at a time. So what I recommend then is just go and do one paragraph at a time. So let's go and copy this paragraph. Come over to Google Translate. Paste this here. Gives this to you in English. If you want to make sure that all of your grammar and sentencing is correct, we can come over to a free tool called Grammarly.com, which you can just go and log in with a free account over here. Click on new upload over here, and we can go and upload our entirely translated article to Grammarly over here, and it will underline any errors for you. So yeah, you can see in should just be on like that. So if there's any errors, it will underline it for you. You can go and correct that as is. So again, we want to go and copy or come over to a new Google document over here, docs.google.com. Let's just open up a blank document, come over to our blog over here. So we're going to go and copy, as per usual, our entire olive board cutting article in Spanish. So I'm just going to copy this, paste this in Google Docs. I just want to remove all these images because we don't need the images just yet. So we can delete that. So we can then go and copy this entire paragraph here, and you want to do the same thing. You want to open up another Google document, and we just want to go and create an English version of this. So let's come over to blank again. Let's come over to Google Translate, paste this new side here. So now that we've got our English paragraph 1, we can paste this here. This is paragraph 1 in English. Over here, we need to just copy paragraph 2. So that's here. Paragraph 2. Paste it in Grammarly. Just make sure there's no errors over here. So you just want to correct all of these errors. Once you're done, paste the English version of paragraph 2. Let's just make this smaller. For example, 11. Just like that. And then again, paragraph 3, which is this section here. So right click, copy, again, Google Translate over here, copy the English version, right click, copy, new Google document, paste this, just make your text back down to 11. I see Google makes it automatically 21. There we go. So, there we go. So let's just make this 11, enter. There we go. So now once you've got your article in English, we can go and copy our entire article over here. Copy, come over to Instructables.com, click on publish on the top right. You want to click on new Instructable. For our project title, we want to go and copy the same title that we made over here that we translated. So for example, we just copy our title, come over to Google Translator, and this will be Olive Cutting Board DIY project, for example. So Olive Cutting Board DIY, step by step. And this can fall under category over here. This would be, I would say, craft channel. I would say anything with wood. While it's sewing, I see nothing here. Okay, let's just try workshop. Woodworking, perfect. For our introduction, perfect. We can upload a new image over here. And remember, all of our images, we can just get off this page here. So we can open up in a new tab, save this to our PC, come over to Instructables.com, upload that same picture, upload one file, click on done, and briefly describe what you made. So here, you're going to go and paste your introductory article or the introduction over here. Come back to Instructables, close this, paste this here. For the supplies, we can literally go and copy this section here. Right click, copy, come over to supplies, and we can add a picture. Again, for a picture, we can just go and copy this picture, for example, And all we're doing is we're just reposting the same article from this Spanish website to Instructables.com in English or our own language over here towards an English audience. So again, we're just going to go and paste the same or the other picture that we downloaded, upload file, click on done. So that's your supply section now, and you're going to go create step number 1. So over here for step number 1, we can go and upload this section here, for example, obviously in English. So that will be maybe this section here. Right click, copy, paste this here. We can then click on enter step title, we can put your getting started, for example. And then what we can do is for all of our descriptions over here, we can go and type, for example, let's just go and find that KC, I think it's at the top here, of this affiliate website that we spoke about in the beginning, KC Tool, which is a website that sells tools, tweezers, torque screwdrivers, etc. So now every product that you sell on that website, you're going to go and get 10%. So what we can go and do is we can type here, for example, once we've got our affiliate link like this over here, copy our affiliate link, we can actually type here, grab all the tools needed to make your olive cutting board. Here we can put colon, paste our affiliate link. We can copy this throughout our article here. We can maybe put this in our title here. So once this is done, we can now go and click publish, and now we've got a perfectly designed article on how to create this olive cutting board, or whatever you want to call it, from Spanish to English to this audience over here on Instructables.com. Once your article has been posted, I recommend go and create multiple articles on this website on a monthly or a weekly basis. Set a schedule because you want the Instructables algorithm to see that you're a constant poster. That way it will go and promote more of your articles to the people and the viewers on Instructables.com. So again, you can come over to any of these Spanish, French, German woodworking blog sites over here. You just use Google Translator and you can go and use all of these to go and post on Instructables.com. Just make sure that you translate it and make sure all of your grammar is correct. Once you've done that, go and post, get a whole bunch of affiliate links. You can also use ClickBank.com, Digistore24, whatever woodworking products you can go and find over there. You can just plug into your articles on Instructables.com. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire course on YouTube for free over here on how you can go and master affiliate marketing by creating your own funnels, creating your own email sequences, email campaigns, your own courses, etc. You name it. This playlist over here consists of my best 100 odd plus videos that I've made on YouTube in the past of my best affiliate marketing strategies. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.